Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
Okay, got our order. It smells good. Also got some cinnamon. I think it's cinnamon.
It's good. You got this?
Not bad. Hold up. Okay, they got tacos. And Super Bowl salad, I guess? Gotta be. Look at the jalapenos on it. Look like trouble in the hole. Here we go, here we go. So we got the guac. Yeah, here we go. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it has like the little potatoes, fried potatoes. We got the nacho chips. We have lettuce, beef, beans, looks like pinto beans, and cilantro. Yellow rice. Cheese, queso cheese. I don't know what seasoning that is,
But
it's pretty good.
okay, my turn. Okay, that was pretty good. Pretty good. Will it get order again? Yeah, we'll order again. All right, next. I think this was the fire tacos, and their #1 seller.
Okay, here you go.
Here we go. It's pretty good.
You think we needed that sauce that I put in another container?
I don't think so. Whatever they got on there is talking for itself. Seasoned pretty good. That's not bad. What'd you think?
It's good. I would use the sauce though.
Okay. But overall, would you buy it again?
Yep.
What all you think it consists of?
I see cilantro, beef, onions, some type of sauce. It's not cheese, but it's some type of sauce.
Not bad. And we didn't get none of the sauce to pour over it.
I did.
Okay. Next.
What?
I think it's the Super Bowl.
Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Let's see.
Uh-oh.
They ain't hit me yet. Not sure, but that's one of the sauce.
Okay.
Okay. So
Super Bowl. It's the Super Bowl.
salad.
Super Bowl salad. I see the guac, the jalapeno. All right, Tony, go ahead and let him have it. Oh, you got the, wait a minute, you got, let's see the nachos to dip it in.
You got the nachos, you got the cheese, you got the cheese. There you go.
Not bad, y'all. They know what they're doing. Not bad. What you say?
It's right up my alley, right here.
Uh-oh, right up her alley right there. Give me another one with the jalapeno and the guac on it, mixed on there. Let me get some fire. Get that fire.
He asked for it.
I asked for that fire.
Come on. And a little bit of the other stuff.
That's right. Okay, here we go.
It's good, y'all.
It's good, y'all. All right, the grill's pretty good.
I will come back.
We'll come back. Let me see if I say this right. La Casita Del Sabor. Ooh.